What's up, guys? So I'm here at this Walmart checking out what they have. I already took a quick look at this stuff. They don't have anything new, so yeah, it looks like somebody was already here. As you can see, there's a big mess. See, check that out. So I'm not even gonna bother looking through any of this stuff because I already know that all the good stuff is already taken. So here they have a bunch of these Mario Kart Hot Wheels. They have this one here. Here they have these 4-packs. Yeah, they're all the same. Here they have these pullbacks. Check this out, guys. Not too sure what scale it is. Somebody was asking me if I knew what scale this is. If I were to guess, I would say probably like a 133, maybe? I don't know. Check out that red one. Looks like they stocked up on these Maisto car and trailer. So here we have this cool 1999 Ford SVT Cobra. Got the car and the trailer. This one's pretty cool. Mustang Hunter. Go hit your Walmarts, man. Let's see. This one's really cool. This 2009 Nissan GTR R35. This one's really cool. Definitely going to take this one. Let's see what else they have. They have this one here. This Volkswagen. Pretty cool. The black and white combination. Let's see what else they have. They have this pretty cool Ford GT in red. Very nice. They also have this really cool 19... what is this, 57 or 67? Yeah, it's a 1957 Chevrolet flatbed and the 1967 Chevrolet Caprice. This one's really cool as well. Let's see, they also have this really cool Maisto 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. Pretty cool. They also have this really cool Corvette 1965. Not bad. And last but not least, they have these the Mercedes-Benz C-Class in this cool Spectraflame red. Not bad. Let me put these back. Yeah, so here they are. Definitely taking this one. This one's really cool. Let's see what they have over here. Oh, I didn't show you this one, guys. This is the Fast and Furious, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And let's see what they have over here. Check this out, guys. They have this 1952 Chevy Code pickup. They have this one here. 1953 Chevy pickup in blue. Not bad. Ooh, these are really cool, man. This is the 1956 Ford F100 pickup. This is really nice. Too bad I don't collect this scale. This is the 1955 Chevy stepside. These are really cool, man. Kind of digging this one a lot. Might take this one. So let me put this one back. You know what? Let me take this one too. These are hard to find, man. I know if I don't take it, I'm gonna regret it. So check this one out. 2011 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. And we have this 1953 Chevy pickup. So We have some of these Fast and Furious, not very many. The Ford Escort. We have the Power Rangers, the Honda NSX Type R. Check this one out. Chevy Corvette Stingray. Check this one out, guys. 2010 Chevy Camaro. Not bad. And they have this 1973 Chevy Camaro in a matte green. Pretty cool. Tack deck. More tack deck. Looks like they took all the NASCAR ones. So here they have this pretty cool 2017 Ford GT. Put it over here. Let's see what they have on these monster trucks. So this one's pretty new. Loco Punk. They have this Tiger one. They have this one here. Check this one out. Here's another train. I don't know very much about these, so if I missed the treasure hunt, let me know in the comments, guys. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, it looks like they have a bunch of the same truck here. So yeah, let me shift them around. They have this 5-alarm. Have this Radical Racer. And more of this all beefed up truck. Yeah. So let's put these back and let's get out of here, guys, because it doesn't look like they have anything else that's worth taking. Keep debating about on this one here. The only reason I would take it was because of the Bigfoot, but other than that, there's this one here. That one I already have. It's pretty cool. This one here. Alright, guys, so as you can see, they have nothing. They have some of these large monster trucks. Got the twin mill. They have the taxi. They have the Scorpedo. Another Scorpedo. Another twin mill. They have this cool lava shark. And twin mill, lava shark, a taxi, another lava shark down there. Another taxi, lava shark. Yeah, looks like that's it, guys. Alright, guys, so unfortunately we did not find anything but these cool Jada Toys trucks that I'm gonna take, and the Nissan GTR from Maisto. And I think I'm gonna leave this one behind. It's cool and all, but you know, it should be pretty easy to find. So that is my haul for today, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend. Take care and God bless. Later.